We are now on our 4th day of interactive writing. So let's reread what we wrote yesterday and then let's write another page today. All right, let's reread what we wrote yesterday. I'm going to point, let's read it together and then I'll let you read it on your own. The earth looks like a big ball. Now you read it on your own. All right, so did you like the way that I colored it? Did you color yours? All right, you ready to make the next page? So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to draw my line across the page to separate my picture from my words. And I thought today we could write the sentence, she can land on the moon. Say it with me. She can land on the moon. This time say it again and count how many words. She can land on the moon. How many words? Yep, 6 words. So let's draw our 6 lines to represent our 6 words. She can land on the moon. Did you hear my microwave? My tea's ready in the microwave, so if you hear it, just ignore it. All right, let's read this sentence. She can land on the moon. What's the first word? Oh no, we can't write our sentence yet. We need to draw our picture. All right, let's draw her landing on the moon. So let's see, we're gonna need to draw a moon. We can draw the rocket on the moon. We can draw her standing on the moon. And then we can maybe draw some stars so people will know that it's the moon. So let's draw our moon first. The moon is like a circle. It's like a big ball. So I'm going to draw a nice big moon in here. And if she lands on the moon, that means we need to draw the rocket on the moon. And remember the other day when we drew our rocket, we did kind of like a curvy line up, curvy line down. And then we did like out and out. And then we did like a zigzag. And then we drew a circle for the window. And we drew some lines. And then we drew some like another circle. It's kind of small, but oh well. All right, so there's the rocket on the moon. And then I'm going to draw the astronaut on the moon. So I'm going to make her like standing on it. I'm going to make her standing over here. So here's her head, and then I'm going to draw this part for her helmet. She needs to have on her helmet because you can't breathe on the moon. And there's her body, and there's her arms, and her big spacesuit gloves. And here's her with her big boots. This picture looks a little bit weird because my astronaut's really big and my rocket's really small, but I did my best. That's all you can do. I'm going to draw some stars to show that they're in this space. Yeah, I think you can tell that she landed on the moon, right? Look at your picture. Can you tell that she landed on the moon? All right, let's write our sentence. Let's say it first, just to remind ourselves what we're going to write. She can land on the moon. What's the first word? Yep, it's she. That's a blue word. Make sure you use a capital letter for the first letter in your sentence. All right, capital S-H-E. All right, let's reread it to see what word comes next. She can. Can's a yellow word. Did you find it? You might already know how to write it. C-A-N. She can land. You know what I'm noticing about the word land? It's like and land. And I know the word and, that's a yellow word. So all I need to do is put a l and then write the word and that'll make the word land. So let me do that. L. Now I'm going to write and. That makes the word land. Cool. All right, let's reread it. She can land on. I'm looking for on. I don't see it on my snap word list. O-N. She can land on the, that's a red word. She can land on the moon. Here we go. Let's say moon. Say moon. Let's chop it. Moon. Moon. Ooh. Double O makes the sound ooh. Ooh. Great. Let's reread our sentence one more time. She can land on the moon. Today, let's do a little editing. Let's check our work. Put your finger on the first letter in your sentence. Did you make it a capital letter? If you did, give yourself a little check. Did you put spaces between your words? If you did, give yourself a little check. Did you put a period at the end of your sentence? If you did, give yourself a little check. Now check, see how we did the first letter was a capital letter? Check all the other letters in your sentence. They all should be lowercase letters. If you have any capital letters in the middle of your sentence, you need to change those to a lowercase letters. I have all lowercase letters, so I'll give myself a check. All right, so I can't wait to color it when school is over today. I'll show it to you tomorrow, and tomorrow is Friday, so tomorrow we're going to put all of our papers together and make a book. I can't wait. I'll see you later. Bye.